My name's Gwynne-Lyons and I run Maid2Clean Swindon, which I've been running now for over 13 years. Before I became a franchisee, I worked in financial services. One of the main pros for me of being a franchisee was the flexibility. As I'm a carer, it gave me the flexibility to take time off when I needed to. I have a much better work-life balance now. It's given me a lot more independence to do things that I want to do outside of work time as well. Working with Maid2Clean and the franchise has helped me to build my business and run it the way I want to. There is a lot of flexibility in the way individuals run their business within the Maid2Clean franchise. It's very satisfying knowing that I'm my own boss and working purely for myself and to build a future for my family. Maid2Clean stood out for me specifically because the growth of the business wasn't dependent on the physical number of hours I was able to work. There weren't constraints on how big I could grow. Maid2Clean offer a lot of support, either through direct contact with the franchisor or our operations director, and we also have a forum where we can ask anything we like. I also regularly speak to a few franchisees over the phone or through email as well. My advice to anyone looking to get involved with Maid2Clean and set up a franchise would be research the areas well and keep marketing and keep plodding on with it because it does work. I found it very easy to transition into the cleaning industry having no prior knowledge. The training that head office gave was really helpful in making that transition into a franchisee and the cleaning industry. In the future with my franchise, I hope to eventually get to a stage where I can take on a manager and have more free time and to build up the number of interviewers that I have working for me and my client base.